Welcome, folks. This is Buck Finster the Second. These are the world's greatest beach homes. And featured at the front door, the side door of this beach home in beautiful Malibu, we have Livy Livington. Livy, what a great house you have. Can you open the door for us? Ah, nice to see you there, Livy. So, we're going to come around to the front of the house to get this wonderful view. This house, folks, was built actually in the year 2020. Just about actually an hour ago. Wow. Now, it's made of plastic, but it is quite a stunner. Look at this beachfront home. Oh, we've got Tiffany Topsa right here in the little boat next to her friend Anna Lands. Hi, girls. Wow. Look at that place. Is it awesome? There's a surfboard. Who's that there in the hammock? Livy, can you tell us who's in the hammock?
Yeah, it's Anna Lands.
Oh, that's Anna Lands. Hi, Anna. I see you got a little bit of liquid there to drink under that wonderful shade of the palm tree. Look at that light on top. This girl up here. Oops, okay. She was stunned at the fact that she'd be on camera today. Does that door on top open at all there, Livy?
Yes.
You're blocking my shot.
I'm sorry.
Blocking my shot. Okay, these two girls are just having a great time.
And by the way, that's Massey. It's Mallory Massey.
Just checking it out here.
And by the way, the girl down in the blue hair is actually
Okay, Livy, let's come around to the back. So we're just gonna walk around here, spin this like that, make it easier. We'll just move the whole house, just make it a little easier. So, oh, what have we got on the back here? Look, oh, there's a toilet. It even features a toilet, folks. Well, wait, Livy, where do you shower?
I'll show you.
Is that something I missed? Okay, so
Go
we've got some bunk beds.
Shower right here.
There's a shower where?
Blackie.
Where's our shower?
Here.
Ah.
By the sandwich.
I see. You got the shower there.
Yeah,
Okay.
my shower.
Ah, awesome beach home, I'll say. Now, in the back, what we see here is a two-story with a kitchen. Actually has a fully furnished kitchen. Can you open that back window for us, Livy?
Sure.
From the back, can you open it? Well, check out this window, folks. A functioning lower window. Functioning lower window.
That is not a window, by the way.
Okay, open it up. Oh, what do you call that then if it's not a window? Check that out, folks. That's awesome. Now,
Just pulled her over.
up top here, is that a kitchen with a, am I looking at a blender? Or what is that? The sink? I can't quite tell. Here, we gotta fix this a little bit right there. All right.
Okay, this is actually a map of the light.
Ah.
And right here are the bunk beds.
How did you get up to the second floor? Exactly? How did you
There's
get up there?
stairs at the back.
Ah, okay, thank you.
That's the balcony.
So what do you got over here now with this wonderful, what's this do?
I'll show you.
How does that get you up there? There's a third floor. I missed that. Is there something hidden here on the third floor? Wow. Oh my gosh.
Around.
Let's turn the whole house around again and see what we've got here.
No, the poultry ballot.
Oh, check this out on top. Oh, again, you got up without any steps. I don't know how you did that. What is that? I don't know what you do up there. Is that a morgue? What is that? Oh, I think there's some tunes coming out of this place. Those look like some serious woofer tweeters to me. What do you got on the top of there, Livy?
A nice bar where we like to relax. Where we got a music place.
So you got a complete DJ center here for your big beach parties. Wow, this was great visiting this wonderful beach. Wow, what a wonderful beach house. What's this valued at there, Livy? What would you say? It's how many millions is this house valued at?
0 million.
Holy cow! Thanks. And next week we'll be on West Malibu.
Yay.
Thanks for joining our show. Bye.